Good morning once again. In the subject of business studies, nowadays we are discussing the staffing process. This staffing process is long and various steps are there. Two steps which we have concluded were recruitment and selection. I want to make it very clear to you through this video that recruitment is the step in the staffing process to search on the prospective people who may be available to us for the filling of the different positions. So we are searching them, we are encouraging them, we are stimulating them to be available and to apply in our organization for the vacant post. This process of searching and encouraging them to apply for the vacant post will be known as a recruitment. There may be two methods of recruitment or two sources of recruitment, that is internal source of recruitment and external source of recruitment. In case of internal source of recruitment, you are searching within the organization the people who may be available for a vacant post. External source of recruitment, going out of your organization and searching from the general public to be available for the vacant post. So that is the recruitment. In case of recruitment, we don't appoint the people, rather only we search the prospective people. Now next step comes as the selection. Selection is through the scrutinizing. We are going to choose the best candidate for the vacant positions. In the case of selection process, out of the available candidates, through the screening process, we are searching the most suitable and good people, good candidates for the appointment purpose. So that is the selection. So through different ways we do, normally through the written test or through the interview test or through the aptitude test or through the trade test, or maybe in some cases through the physical test. We are selecting and choosing the good people. We are selecting the right people for the right positions. So that is known as the selection process. Selection process is said as a negative process, and recruitment is said as a positive process. Why? In case of recruitment, we are not saying to any of the candidate no. Those who want to apply in our organization, we are accepting his or her application. We are not denying to anyone. But in case of selection, out of the candidates available, few are chosen and many are rejected. So those who are rejected, surely we are saying no to them, and that's why selection is said as a negative process and recruitment is said as a positive process. So these two steps in the selection, in the staffing process we have discussed today.